Hi, I'm Chris McAllister, founder of Roost Real Estate Company, and welcome back to the 8 Success Mindsets of the New Real Estate Professionals series. Today we're talking about the third mindset, value creation, and why it's the difference between being your client's go-to agent for life and being replaced by the next person they meet. In real estate, a happy closing isn't enough to guarantee repeat business. The question is, are you creating enough value that they couldn't imagine working with anyone else? Yes, your client is buying a home, but what they remember most is the experience of working with you. Value creation is about elevating that experience in ways that matter to your clients, not just ways that make you feel good. Ask yourself, what can I do for them that they can't get anywhere else? That might mean making the process feel easier than they expected, solving problems before they ever see them, being the calm in their chaos. When you consistently create value beyond the transaction, you stop competing on price or speed and start competing on trust. Without a value creation mindset, you're a commodity, easily swapped out for someone else. With it, you become a trusted consultant. Consultants are sought out, recommended, and rarely replaced. Your clients choose you not because you're the cheapest, but because you bring something they can't put a price on. Sometimes the most powerful value is in the little touches. I once worked with a relocating client who was stressed about moving to a new city. Beyond finding them a home, I created a welcome guide with vetted local contractors, favorite restaurants, parks, and even a list of doctors. It didn't cost much, but it made them feel cared for. 3 years later, they sent me 2 referrals who said, "They told us you were more than just their realtor, you were their guide." Denise was a fast-moving agent who could get deals done quickly, but her clients often forgot her after the sale. She decided to change that. She began sending personalized market updates, checking in at the 6-month mark, and hosting an annual client appreciation event. Within 2 years, most of her business came from repeat clients and referrals, because she gave people a reason to remember her. To keep creating value, ask yourself, what matters most to my client right now? How can I deliver that better than anyone else? If you answer those questions consistently, you'll never have to worry about being replaced. Your value isn't measured in how many homes you sell, it's in how much better life feels for the people who hire you. And remember, you can download a free PDF copy of the updated edition of this book using the link in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Unique ability. Why trying to be like every other agent is the fastest way to get lost in the crowd.